If you think I'm gonna be dragging Mercy Aigbe based on this fabric seller's baseless accusation, you don't ever watch my video, and I guess this is your first time.
Loving you, na scam.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, you are welcome to the family. If you have been watching but you're still contemplating whether you should subscribe or not, what are you waiting for, guys? Please click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. You know what you're about to watch? So if you are not going to take your time to watch this video or listen till the end, don't even bother to leave any disrespectful comment, because if you leave one, I'm going to block you. I'm going to delete your comment. I don't have to see your ignorance on my page, and you don't have to keep roaming the street of YouTube. So if you want to leave your opinion like I asked for, be respectful about it, because I hear my opinion respectfully. So please be respectful with your comments. If you think I'm gonna be dragging Mercy Aigbe based on this fabric seller's baseless accusation, you don't ever watch my video, and I guess this is your first time. I want to quickly speak about this Mercy Aigbe thing that broke on the internet. I checked my phone and I saw the message sent to me by someone asking me that what do I think, do I want to speak about it. And when I saw it, I digged a little deep into it. I was able to know the page name that was accusing her that she bought some fabrics and she has refused to pay, and you've already sent the fabric to Nigeria. And I'm thinking, are you really serious right now? How can you send your product to someone without you collecting payment? I've never seen it. China people, please, if you buy anything from China and you didn't pay and you get the product, please let me know in the comment section below. I used to buy from China, paying through Western Union. If they did not get payment, they don't send anything. Anyway, let me continue with the story. When I went on the page, I started seeing a lot of conversation that these people has posted on their page concerning Mercy Aigbe, that she did not pay for fabric or something. You know, their English is not very good, so I'm going to just read a little bit about it and I'll tell you what I feel. So when I was reading, I saw a post that says cheater. She's a superstar and she's a rich friend. Those are the people reaching out to the fabric seller, trying to get the real fact from what is going on. And this fabric seller said, but the lady come to China, said herself is Mercy, and she go to market by herself and order 5 yards each fabric. Since she is movie star, how she do this small business? So I think she's a cheater, not real Mercy. That is what this fabric seller said to someone that was asking about what is going on. We don't know how far it is true, because Mercy is going on doing her business as usual. She has not responded to anybody, and you can see that it doesn't face her like nothing really happened. This seller is answering to anybody that is interested to know what Mercy has done. And at the same time, he puts like a phone number, the delivery way bill or so that this person used to send the fabric. And you know, there is a lot of message front and back. And by the time I looked into all these messages, what I deducted from this is this: it is two-way. Number one, it seems like this fabric seller needs exposure. That's what all these Chinese people do, to be honest. If you buy air, they want you to send them your picture so that they can use it to advertise on their page. And at the same time, people are going to see your picture. Maybe they know your face. They will buy the product. What are you getting out of it? Business doesn't work that way. It looks like this fabric seller wants Mercy Aigbe to advertise them, and they expect her to do it as quick as possible. Who put the page of where they do business on their social media, like advertising them? See, everybody go to market and buy. I don't see anyone putting out their supplier. She sells to profit from this. When she display her supplier, how do you want her to make profits? How does that work out? It doesn't work out. You guys are always just thinking about yourself. She sells the fabric as well. She's not buying it to use. She's buying it to resell. So how do you expect her to be advertising you on her page that this is my supplier? It won't work that way. And another way you can look at this thing is that, what if it's not even Mercy Aigbe? Because when I was digging into it, I saw the name that was messaging this person. If you know how DM message works, when you are DMing someone or you are communicating with someone through your Instagram DM, you can see their contacts and you know how they are contacting you. And what I saw in here is that the name says Mercy Ins Asoebi Mercy. I don't know if you know what I'm saying. That's the name I circled. That's the name of the person messaging this guy. And how come he is Mercy Aigbe? When I went to Mercy's page, look at what it says. It says Asoebi Mercy. And I know her fabric page to have said Asoebi Mercy for a very long time now. It's not that she just changed it. And when you click on the bio, did you see where I circled the phone number? That's the phone number on that Asoebi Mercy's page. I even went on Flawless by Mercy, trying to see if I could correlate the number the China fabric merchant posted. I tried to go on every of her page except her own private page. So I don't know whether this number is a private number or whether there is another page that was created to be communicating with this seller. And to be honest, it doesn't say that she collects this fabric for free. Come to think of it, if to say it's even Mercy Aigbe, which I don't believe is her. Mercy Aigbe's page is called Asoebi Mercy. This page is called Mercy Ins Asoebi Mercy. How is he Mercy Aigbe? I don't think he is Mercy Aigbe, to be honest. And if he's Mercy Aigbe, it seems like these people are actually doing business, because how do you give someone 20 yards? I know sometimes their English is really bad, because they said, we said there, each design will offer you 20 yards per color free, and you help us post. How do you offer someone 20 yards of fabric each? How many of the fabric are you offering? Because this is what I don't understand. It doesn't seem to be true. And also, if these people want to advertise on someone's page that is as big as Mercy Aigbe, of course they need to pay. Things are not adding up. Everything seems to not add up at all. Mercy is going by her business. She posted a picture on her page. She talked about how she's going from wholesalers to factory, creating her own fabric and bringing it to people. She's working really hard to put food on her table, and I don't see why so many people believe this story when it came out. You know, you need to sit back and think about something. Maybe because I've dealt with these Chinese people so many times. Someone said, don't owe Chinese people. Nigeria is owing them enough, so you two don't bring debt to us. And I'm thinking, do you think these people are not smart? They are smart people, and they know how to use people for their own gain as well. They think like Nigerians. These people don't understand. These Chinese people, they use you for their own gain. So you need to be smart to work with them. I'm going to give you an example. When I used to do beauty and makeup, they reached out to me and they were like, oh, we're going to give you hair and you're going to make a whole video for us. And I'm thinking, are you bossy or something? I'll make a whole video. Even if you are going to give me hair, I'm not going to advertise for you for free. If you give me the hair, I will tell people, if people buy from me, they use my link to buy from you, then you have to pay me something. And these people did not want to get in touch with me again because my beauty channel is not that big then. So they target all these people to use them. This fabric seller said they will give her 20 yards of each of the color free. And at the same time, you are saying because she's a big star, how come she only bought 5 yards of fabric? This story is not a real story. I'm telling you, there is something fishy about it. It's either it's not Mercy Aigbe, and it's either these people were just trying to use her at the same time. Anyway, guys, I'm done with this. I want to hear all your thoughts and opinion in the comment section about this. Do you think it is Mercy Aigbe that actually collected this deal from people, or do you think someone created this page the way all these scammers create page just to scam people using celebrities' picture and their name and handle and everything, because that is what I think, but I don't know what you guys think. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next one. On your way out, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like, share it, and never forget subscribe to support me and turn on the notification to get notified. Bye.
Loving you.